Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a coconut chai traybake. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees and I have lined a 20 by 30 centimetre tin with grease-proof paper. In my bowl I am going to mix together all my dry ingredients. I am now going to add all my wet ingredients and whisk them together until my batter is formed. I'm going to pour my mixture into the tin and then bake it on the middle shelf for 25 minutes. I'm now going to make my coconut icing. For this, I am using icing sugar and 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. I'm now going to take my icing and drizzle it over the top. I am now going to add my finely chopped stem ginger, my finely chopped pistachios and desiccated coconut on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.